Get ready to celebrate the unsung heroes of the workforce because May 1st is here, and it's all about honoring the blood, sweat, and tears of workers worldwide. Let's rewind to 1886 in Chicago, where the historic Haymarket Riot sparked the international labor movement. Fast forward to 1889, and voila, May 1st becomes the official day to rally behind workers' rights thanks to socialist groups and trade unions. But wait, there's a twist. In the good old US of A, we like to do things our way. So in 1882, New York City throws the first ever Labor Day bash, complete with parades and picnics galore. And guess what? It was a smashing success. So much so that President Grover Cleveland says, "Hey, why not make this a national holiday?" And just like that, the first Monday of September becomes our official Labor Day. Talk about turning a riot into a reason to party. So, as we fire up the grill and kick back with friends and family, let's not forget the true spirit of Labor Day. It's a day to salute the hard-working folks who keep the wheels turning, from the factory floor to the office cubicle. So here's to you, dear workers, for all you do. You're the backbone of our communities, and we couldn't do it without you. Cheers to Labor Day, a time to celebrate, appreciate, and maybe sneak in one more hot dog before summer bids adieu.